Good morning, my name is Waldo Nosti. I'm a dental technician. I work in my own digital laboratory in Spain. Digital laboratory, 100% digital. We are 100% digital there. Some of us may know each other through the exocad experts group and Facebook. I founded this group 5 years ago with the goal of sharing information between exocad users. You must know that tomorrow it's Sunday. We celebrate the 5th anniversary of the group. Now we are more than 31,000 users all over the world, sharing knowledge, sharing tips and tricks, sharing enthusiasm. Thank you for your posts. Thank you for your talent. Thanks to them, we are one of the best digital groups in social media talking about digital dentistry, about CAD/CAM, exocad, and related topics.